I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the part. Wear goggles, gloves, and isolate power. Once done, select the matching core extractor and inspect it for damage. Make sure the workpiece is clamped and the tool sits squarely, because alignment prevents slippage and damage. Apply light, steady pressure to engage the extractor teeth, then rotate slowly to bite into the core. If it doesn't grab immediately, stop and reposition rather than forcing. This avoids rounding or breaking the core. Continue by applying even counter-rotation while maintaining axial pressure. This pulls the core free rather than driving it deeper. If resistance stays high, pause and add penetrating lubricant around the seam, then let it soak briefly to reduce friction. Alternate short rotation bursts with steady pulls so the extractor can bite without overstressing its teeth. Make sure to keep the tool aligned and avoid hammer impacts. If the core starts to back out, stop and reseat the extractor to finish. To finish, remove the extractor and inspect the bore for nicks or deformation. Clean all debris and lightly deburr if needed so the replacement seats properly. Install the new core to the manufacturer's specification, using measured torque or a press as required, then test the assembly for proper function. If removal failed earlier, one key troubleshooting tip. Apply penetrating oil, allow soak time, then use gentle heat and a dedicated extractor kit, only as a last resort use, controlled drilling, to remove a seized core.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.